What's up, everyone? This is Jana. I'm gonna show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in less than 3 minutes. Okay, well, actually, maybe 5 minutes or so. There's a lot of videos out there, a lot, and most of them are helpful, but they usually take about 20 minutes, and sometimes, quite frankly, the steps are hard to follow. So I'm just gonna show you like 3 tricks that anyone can do. And once you get these right, you'll be able to solve this really quickly. First thing you have to realize is, well, first of all, this is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. 3x3. Okay, so the first thing to remember is that you always want to get the same colors that match the center box. So this is orange. That means this whole face is going to be orange. This is white. This whole face is going to be white, etc., etc. Now, to do this successfully, there are a couple of tools you're going to need. Sort of what I call must-haves. The first is you're going to need a hammer. Doesn't matter what kind of hammer you get. I kind of like the mallets, just because it's, gives it a good bang. But you can use any kind of hammer. You need a hammer for sure. And then, second tool is this here. Actually, I don't know what this stuff is called. I think it's a nail driver. Very important. You can pick any color. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to match the cube. I got the yellow just because it matches this yellow. Now for the secret sauce. This is the most important thing. I mean, there's nothing more important than this. This is the secret sauce. It's a glass of water. You gotta have a glass of water. Now, most other videos don't tell you about this glass of water, but this is very important to have. Now, let's go. So the first step is you take up this glass of water and you drink it. Okay. Now, the next step is you take this bad boy here, right? And then you match it to one of the colors. So I turn on yellow. So I match it to this yellow here. Yellow, yellow. Okay. Just put it on top. Okay. Just make sure it lines up nicely with the yellow. Cool. Okay. The next thing you do is you take this hammer. Again, it doesn't really matter what kind of hammer you get, but I like just how big and heavy this is. And you lay the hammer just right next to the cube. Like that. Make sure it stays. Okay, perfect. Okay. And now this is the secret sauce. You take the cup. Now make sure it's empty. And then you cover the hammer. Okay. Now you leave it like this for like 2 to 3 months. And then when you come back, the cube will be solved.